the proper technology, the proper terminology for this class is technical reports. So technical report is basically similar to journal paper, just like the regular journal paper, but there is no restriction in terms of say number of pages, the style, and things like that. So this is more like a free format, but but there are certain kind of standards that we're going to
Data
use. Okay.
science sama cyber security.
Okay.
Enggak, ini salah satu topiknya. Terus akhirnya
Okay.
ini orang-orang pada bilang cyber. Mas,
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So topics related to the course topic could be data science. For this particular class is data science, but for other classes, I have actually teaching another class, and the topic is cybersecurity. And there's another class which is the topic is on kind of IoT. So the topics are related to the course topic. It could be anything. It's very, 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 very wide. So data science is very wide. It could be anything related to your kind of your research area or your thesis. That could be part of chapter 2 of your thesis. So the format in technical report is single column instead of two columns. Sometimes you see in paper there are two columns, but this one is single column. Single column. The fonts could be 12 points, and if needed, sometimes some people need more space. You can have 11 points, but I would say 12 point is okay. Excuse me. So, and then the font is what we call serif, similar to Times New Roman, the one that is different. Don't use Arial or sans serif fonts. Okay, so it could be Georgia, could be Antique Bookman, and so on and so forth, right? But Times New Roman is your best bet. Okay, it could be Garamond. That's also possible. So and then the style in my field is IEEE, but you can use your style in your own field, which is okay as long as it's consistent. So it could be ACM, IEEE, or Journal of Psychology, or whatever, right? Journal of Physics, it's okay. So as long as consistent. What I mean by consistent is when you quote something, the way you type in, you style the quote, it's just consistent. Sometimes you can use numbers, sometimes you can use the author and year, as long as it's consistent in this journal. Okay. Yeah, sorry, in this term paper. Now references, it requires you have at least minimum of three references. Actually, the more the better. Okay, and it's roughly 15 pages, plus minus 15 pages. Usually, most of the students sometimes they have 12 pages, 13 pages, and sometimes 18 pages, even 19 pages. So it's roughly around that area, which is okay. Okay. If you think that is too long, and usually you start writing technical reports, usually 15 pages, it's just about right. Even in my student, when they're writing papers, they said, Pak, I got like around 11 pages. That's okay. In my field, if you submit a paper, usually they require the paper is less than 5 pages. If you have more than that, you are penalized. For each page, you have to pay $100. So if you have like 8 pages, then you have to pay $300. Uh, and sometimes it is difficult to compact everything into 3 to 5 pages, right? Sometimes it's very very difficult if you have your thesis or your dissertation. So it is going to be difficult. Okay. Question about this? Is there a question about this before I continue with the topic tonight? Now, the time frame is supposed to be like 2 weeks or so. The reason I said that is because I need 2 weeks to mark your papers. I need 2 weeks to mark your papers, and then after that I have to submit to a university, and I have to submit your grades. So if it takes longer, then it's going to take longer for me to mark it, and usually I got comment from others that papers or grades from Pabudi is too late. Okay, now let me just show you what the examples of what have been done in previous years. So Wait, let me just show you. Okay, so this is my web. If you go to budi.raharjo.id, if you go to budi.raharjo.id, let me just pull chat section. So if you go to budi.raharjo.id, if you go to that one, say that this is the Budi Raharjo, the main website. If you go and there are many things, and then you say daftar makalah mahasiswa term papers. So if you click on that, there are many classes. I have not updated this, so I have maybe already 20 courses already. This term I'm teaching 3 courses also, plus yours. So I'm teaching 4 courses. So if you go into data science or digital literacy, so these are examples of what have been written in last year and the year before. Last year, I only have the title of the papers I should have uploaded. I have not had the time to upload the papers. So this is an example of papers in 2023, and obviously there's 2022, 2021, 2020. These are examples of the reports here, for example. Okay, this is an example. If I click on the report, so this is an example of the report. So you should see that this is like these are example there. So he has like 17 pages. Let me just zoom in a bit. Can I zoom in? Okay, see. So this is a report from previous years. This one is from 2020, 4 years ago. So these are example. You have the abstract, introduction. This one, page 1 of 17. So this is an example of what have been done. Okay. So you have an example of a paper like this. Okay, so you can go through this and look into the examples. Okay, any questions? Pertanyaan? I'm going to create a Google Drive directory for the submission of the reports. Okay. Now, in how I mark these term papers is usually I give students T if it's incomplete, meaning that there are many revisions that you should have done. I usually give directly. Usually give very good grades, but in case you have problems, say inconsistency in the text, inconsistency in the paper, then usually I give it a T, so you have a chance to fix it or modify or update the paper. Okay, is that okay? If give me a thumbs up if it's okay. Okay. Yes, Tao.
Yes, sir. May I ask a question? Because the paper we are going to write, the topic is very inclusive. That means if we can write any topics that is related to the data science or security or something. For example, if I would like to write something about the AI technology and the Eastern aesthetics, the relationship or the promotion, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Good topic. Good
Yeah.
topic.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good topic. So that's a good topic. Uh, any other question? So that's very good topic. If there's no question, I'm going to talk about security tonight. Okay, is it okay? Yes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask right now, or you can ask it in WhatsApp or a WhatsApp group. But give me a thumbs up so I can I know I can continue with the class tonight. Oke. Oke ya. Adakah pertanyaan? Tidak ada? Tidak ada. So I'm going to stop recording. So I'm going to do it 2 parts.